For premium heating equipment solutions in Las Vegas, Nevada, turn to Honest HVAC, your trusted supplier. We specialize in providing high-quality heating equipment for residential and commercial properties, ensuring optimal comfort and efficiency. Our extensive selection includes furnaces, heat pumps, boilers, and more, from leading brands in the industry. With a commitment to honesty and transparency, we offer expert guidance to help you find the perfect heating solution for your needs. Trust Honest HVAC as your go-to heating equipment supplier in Las Vegas, Nevada, where quality and reliability are guaranteed. Experience superior products and service. Choose Honest HVAC for all your heating needs. Contact us today at Honest HVAC to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a heating equipment supplier near me? You can stop looking. You found Honest HVAC. Where can I find a reliable heating equipment supplier in Las Vegas, Nevada? Honest HVAC is a trusted heating equipment supplier serving Las Vegas, Nevada. What types of heating equipment does Honest HVAC supply in Las Vegas, Nevada? Honest HVAC supplies a wide range of heating equipment, including furnaces, heat pumps, ductless mini splits, and more in Las Vegas, Nevada. What is your heating equipment supplier for Las Vegas, Nevada? Our local heating equipment supplier have served clients in the surrounding areas of Las Vegas, Spring Valley, Winchester, Downtown South, Summerlin, Henderson, Reno, North Las Vegas, Paradise, Sunrise Manor, Enterprise, Sparks, Carson City, Whitney, Pahrump, Sun Valley, Charleston, Green Valley North, Nevada. Where is your Honest HVAC office located? We are located at A100,9205 West Russell Road Building 3, Suite 130, Las Vegas, Nevada 89148, United States. Our phone number is 725-444-7247. Visit our website, https://honestthecompany.com/west-russell-spring-folly-installation-repair.